Good morning everyone. Now we have to learn about second standard computer class. Shall we start the online class? Okay. First, now I would like to recall what was learnt in level 1. Okay. So today topic is first lesson continue. Let us recall now. Okay. First one is uses of computer. First one is uses of computer. Already you know that. What are the main uses of computer? Yeah. All are ready to say? First one, drawing pictures, writing letters, listen to music, playing games, watching movies, adding numbers. Correct. Okay. Next, next what was learnt in next class? Yeah. Next topic is parts of the computer. What are the parts of the computer? What are the parts of the computer? Already you know that. What are the parts of the computer? Yeah. First one, CPU. Next one, monitor. Third one, keyboard. Fourth one, mouse. Yeah, correct. What are the parts of the computer? First one, CPU. Second one, monitor. Third one, keyboard. Fourth one, mouse. What are the additional parts of the computer? First one, speaker. Next one, printer. Next one, printer. What are the additional parts of the computer? Speaker and printer only. Already you know that. Okay. Next, we will move to the next topic. Today topic is do's and don'ts of working a computer. இப்போ நம்ம கம்ப்யூட்டர் ஒர்க் பண்ணும்போது என்னெல்லாம் நம்ம பண்ணணும் பண்ணக்கூடாது, do's and don'ts of while working on the computer. First of all, I would like to tell do's while working on the computer. Okay, first one, do's. First one, do's. So first one, be safe. First one, be safe. First one, be safe. Second one, be gentle. Second one, be gentle. Fourth one, keep clean. Fourth one, keep clean. Sorry, third one. This is third one. Fourth one, keep your posture straight. Keep your posture straight. Okay. First one, be safe. First one, be safe. Because computer works on electricity. Computer works on electricity. Ask the teacher to turn the computer on or off. If you want to on the computer of the computer, please ask your teacher, because computer works on electricity. So be safe always. So be safe always. Next one, be gentle. Next one, be gentle. What is mean by be gentle? Computer is delicate. Computer is delicate. So press softly on the keys of the keyboard. ஸோ அந்த கீபோர்டில் இருக்க கீஸை நம்ம எப்படி ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணணுமா, ரொம்ப சாஃப்டாக ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணணும். ப்ரெஸ் சாஃப்ட்லி கீஸ் ஆன் தி கீபோர்ட். ஆர் யூ கிளியர்? ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், கீப் க்ளீன். Next one, keep clean. What is mean by keep clean? Computer should be protected. Computer should be protected from dust. Computer should be protected from dust. Keep the computer always clean. Keep the computer always clean. What are the don'ts? What are the don'ts while working on the computer? First one, do not pull the wires. Do not pull the wires. What are the don'ts? First one, do not pull the wires. You don't touch the wire while working on the computer. Okay. Next one, do not eat. Do not eat or drink. Do not eat or drink near the computer. Yeah. What is the second one? Do not eat or drink near the computer. Are you able to understand what I say? Yeah. Next one. Do not keep your hands on the mouse continuously. What is the next one? Do not keep your hands on the mouse continuously. Okay, ma'am? Okay. So, I already one missing. Keep your posture straight. What is mean by keep your posture straight? Sit straight and proper distance from the monitor. Sit straight and proper distance from the monitor. This is called keep your posture straight. So, already we have seen what was do's and don'ts or while working on the computer. One more time I recall you. First one, do's. Now let us see do's. First point is be safe. Be safe means computer works on electricity of the teacher to turn the computer on or off. Next one, be gentle. What is mean by be gentle? Computer is delicate. Press softly on the keys of the keyboard. Very good. Next one, keep clean. Keep clean. What is mean by keep clean? Yeah. Computer should be protected from the dust. Keep the computer always clean. Next one, keep your posture straight. What is mean by keep your posture straight? Sit straight and sit straight. Next one, keep your posture correct. What is mean by keep your posture correct? Sit straight, proper distance from the computer. Okay. Next we will see don'ts. What are the don'ts? What are the don'ts? First one, do not pull the wires. First one, do not pull the wires. Next one, do not eat or drink near the computer. Next one, do not eat or drink near the computer. Next one, do not keep your hands on the mouse continuously. Do not keep your hands on the mouse continuously. These are the do's and don'ts while working on the computer. Next we will move to next topic. Are you all able to understand this topic? Recall one more time yourself. I already recalled. So first, what is mean by desktop? What is mean by desktop? Shall we see? What is meant by desktop? The screen where all the icons are arranged is called desktop. The screen where all the icons are arranged. The screen where all the icons are arranged is called desktop. Yeah. What is meant by desktop? The screen where all the icons are arranged is called desktop. Once more, order tell ma. The screen where all the icons are arranged is called desktop. Okay. Next one, what is meant by icon? Next one, what is meant by icon? The picture that we see on the monitor is called icon. The picture இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு மானிட்டர் இருக்கு. ஸோ இதில் வந்து குட்டி குட்டி பிக்சர்ஸ் போட்டு இமேஜஸாக இருக்கும், அப்படிதானா? These are called icons. So first one is desktop. The screen where all the icons are arranged is called desktop. Whole of the part is called desktop. Then second one is icon. This particular image is called icons. Where all the icons are arranged. The desktop is called icons. The picture that we see on the monitor is called icons. Okay ma? Do you all understand what is meant by icon? The picture that we see on the monitor is called icons. Once more, all of you say once more, what is meant by icon? The picture that we see on the monitor is called icons. Next one, taskbar. Then where do you see taskbar in the monitor? Yeah, the taskbar is the bottom of the desktop. Bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. The bottom of the desktop. The bottom of the desktop is called the bar at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. Okay. What is meant by taskbar? The bar at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. Okay, are you all understand? The bar at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. So now I would like to tell one more time what is meant by desktop. The screen where all the icons are arranged is called desktop. Next one, icon. What is meant by icon? The picture that we see on the monitor is called icons. What is the next one? Taskbar. The bar at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. Next we will see the topic is window. Next one is window. We want to start an application. If we want to start an application, double click the icon. If we want to start an application, double click the icon. Double click the icon. To start an application, double click the icon. More than one application can be started at a time. More than one application can be started at a time. More than one application can be started at a time. So first one is to start an application, double click the icon. Second one is more than one application can be started at a time. Okay, ma? This is the main purpose of window. This is a window. So start an application, double click the icon. These are icons. These are icons. If you want to open application, double click the icon, then open the application. More than one application can be started at a time. ஒரே நேரத்தில் நிறைய அப்ளிகேஷன் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், ஓப்பன் பண்ணி பார்த்துக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், ஆல்ரெடி யூ நோ தட் buttons. These buttons are all known. This type of button one, next this button, next this button. Already you have seen in the computer, correct? Do you remember? Yeah. First one, this means this is close button. What is this? This is here close button, this is minimize button, this is maximize button. Am I correct? Yeah. This is close button, this is minimize button, this is maximize button. Okay, what is the use of close button? It is see on the right corner of the computer. It is in right corner of the computer. Close button is used to close the application. Close button is used to close the application. Close button is used to close the application. Okay. Next one is minimize button. What is this? Minimize. Minimize. It is also in right corner of the computer. It makes the window very small. 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 What is the next one? This is maximize button. This is maximize button. It is in the right corner of the computer, right corner of the monitor. Okay, it makes the window very big. It makes the window very big. Maximize. It makes the window big. It makes the window big. So, shall I tell you one more time what is mean by window? If you want to start an application, double click the icon. Next one, more than one application can be started at a time. These are the features of window. Next one, close button, minimize button, maximize button. What is the main use of close button? Close all the application. Close all the application. What is the use of minimize button? It makes the window small. What is the usage of maximize button? It makes the window big. Okay. I hope you all are understand what I said the topic ma. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.